Hey guys, it's me Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. I know I have been missing for a really long time because I have been swamped with work and everything around me. I barely get time for myself, and B, honestly, I have lost like all inspiration, honestly, like for making videos. Even neither on Instagram am I making actively reels or anything, or even on YouTube long form videos. Like if you will see, for the last 1 year almost, there's only been vlogs and not really any sit down video, which is my niche, which is my genre. So I've not done that. But anyways, I was watching my old videos and I was thinking like I need to bring this version back because that's what gave me the most joy. And I'm not complaining अभी vlog के शुरू में ही कि, but content creation has become all about brand deals and कौन कितना कमा रहा है, and the essence of video making, that fun part of it, is just like gone right now. Anyways, coming back to today's vlog, I am going out. Finally मुझे थोड़ा सा time मिला. I've made some plans with my friends and I just thought कि ऐसे ही vlog कर लेते हैं because ऐसे ही मन क्या, and why not? A very pointless vlog. Anyways, सुबह से I got done with my morning rituals like chia seed water पी लिया, then I've had my breakfast and now I think I'm gonna go make some coffee for myself, and then of course I have to wash my hair because you can see the oily mess that it's right here. I mean, ये आप लोग के साथ भी होता है या नहीं? Just tell me. Like literally मेरे 2 दिन आई वॉश माई हेयर, 2 दिनों में मेरे बाल पूरे ऐसे ऑयली एंड ऐसे मतलब पूरे लेड बैक स्लिक हेयर स्टाइल हो जाता है. एंड आई स्टार्टेड ऑफिस. आई डोंट थिंक आई अपडेटेड दैट इन माई चैनल गेट, बट मैं ऑफिस जाती हूँ. माई ऑफिस इज़ लाइक सम डेज 6 days a week, सम डेज 5 days a week. एंड आई लिटरली इस ठंड में, अभी ठंड पड़ गई है कोलकाता में फॉर सम रीज़न, इट्स 8 November, ठंड पड़ चुकी है. आई लिटरली डू नॉट फील लाइक वॉशिंग माई हेयर, बट एनी वेज वी हैव टू गेट आउट दिस रट एंड वॉश आवर हेयर. एनी वेज आई थिंक मैं 2 मिनट तक बहुत बकवास करती रही हूँ. I've not come to the point yet. Okay, so I'm going out with Shreya today after a really long time. The last time we met was during Pujo, which is almost, I would like to say, 1.5-2 months ago, and that bitch does not really meet me. और मेरी स्टूडेंट अभी आएगी सुबह पढ़ने, so I'm gonna go out around 1 PM actually. So yeah, that's that. अभी जाके थोड़ा सा कॉफ़ी पी के फ्रेशन अप होके सब करके मीट करते हैं. Okay. Also, let's come to the logistics. Almost 90% of you guys unsubscribed to my channel. So what are you waiting for? Christmas? Go hit that subscribe button right now. And you guys can also follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here on the screen. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this vlog. So my coffee is all ready and abhi thoda late ho gaya. It's 12 actually and I'm supposed to get out by 1:30. So I'm gonna drink this coffee. My student आई थी बीच में, उसको पढ़ा लिया. So I'm gonna drink some coffee and then bathe and just head out. I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? I'm already इससे ज़्यादा टाइम लिया तो श्रेया मुझे मार देगी. एनीवेज आई वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ टेकिंग दिस शॉल/स्टोल विथ मी, बट थोड़ा सा राजा मंत्री वाइब्स इट्स गिविंग मी. बट एनीवेज शाम को ठंड लग सकती है, सो आई जस्ट कैरी इट विथ मी. ऐसे तो मैं फुल हीरोइन फील्स लेके निकल तो गई हूँ, लेकिन लेट बहुत हो गया है. श्रेया के बाद घर से निकल के भी मैं इससे पहले पहुँच गई हूँ. Actually, she got down at one stop पहले, तो I think so she's coming. And also I did tell, I think we are going to Wonder, थोड़ा सा ओरिएंटल खाना खाने. So I got so mesmerized seeing Shreya and her beauty. मैं बीच में ब्लॉग करना भूल गई. Please show your whole your curves, everything. You're looking so hot. And this is the outfit by the way. बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं. हाइप हर अप इन द कमेंट्स गाइस. तुम कुछ बोलो. तुम इतने फर्स्टली
We are meeting after a decade.
भूल गई हो मुझे. She has gotten new friends and like
Okay.
a
Who are my new friends? This girl. Okay, she ditches every plan every weekend. Okay, she ditches every plan and then she blames it upon me.
नहीं बस genuinely time
नहीं. No, you went out with your best friend. वो भी बोलो.
Even I don't know who she's talking about.
या ऑफ कोर्स मैन वाली हरकतें देख ही रहे हो आप।
अब जल्दी सोचो क्या ऑर्डर करना है।
ये सब का एक एक।
इतने पैसे तो नहीं है भाई।
एक तो मैं अपनी ATM लाई हूँ।
ताई तो मौसमी रस निकली। ATM of the class। How did you like the food?
Awesome.
इतना कि हमने पैक करवा लिया क्योंकि हमसे खाया नहीं गया।
Every time
this happens, we over order, under eat, overpay, and then end up packing और घर जाते हैं। But the sushi was really good. I mean मैंने जो तो भाई जार साथे एसছি, everyone has loved the sushi and the starters are the main thing actually. So if visiting Kolkata, visit one time. ठीक है, अभी चलो हम लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? नंदन और OG प्लेस सिट के अड्डा मार के लेट्स गो।
শুধু আড্ডা মারবো।
শুধু আড্ডা মারি আমরা।
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with your eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it's spark.
Honestly, this is what Kolkata culture is. It's just booming everywhere. This is your first time at KIF?
No,
No, it's actually like हम लोग तो कॉलेज से भाग के ही आते थे यहाँ पे। Even last year, it feels so मतलब
Yeah.
I remember we were in our skirts and uniforms and
we
people
feel
were
so out
coming.
of place,
Yeah.
but like तब
And
मजे
we
थे
were-
जिंदगी में।
we were
अभी
sitting
नहीं
there,
है।
we were sitting there, लोग लाइन दिए सिनेमा देखते हैं अच्छी लोग।
और আমরা বসে
Yeah,
well we were sitting down and we were doing
And we're
nothing.
checking out hot guys.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what we were doing.
My life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there?
अभी सब मेकअप उतर आया है। आई एम बैक टू माई काजल माशी कोर राइट नाउ एंड हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठे इन फ्रंट ऑफ रविंद्र सदन जस्ट चिलिंग, जस्ट व्हाट वी डू एवरी टाइम वी कम हियर। सो थोड़े गप्पे मार के, पीछे हमारे कपल्स है, वी आर जजिंग देम नॉट जजिंग देम डजंट मैटर। तो बस थोड़े से गप्पे मार के विल हेड बैक।
Do we felt like this was forever? Can I take you there? Like it was
आई एम प्रीटी मच डन फॉर द डे एंड अभी ऐसे नंदन के एकदम सामने कोलकाता के रास्तों के बीचों बीच आई एम वेटिंग फॉर अ बस। आई डोंट नो हाउ मच यू गाइस कैन हियर मी बट फिर से घर जाके ब्लॉग करते हुए रास्ते में ब्लॉग करना इज अ लिटिल रिस्की। हे गाइस, आई जस्ट गॉट बैक होम एंड आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन टुडे। जैसे ही मन किया बैठ के थोड़ा सा बात कर लूँ एंड देन लाइक आई एंड आई थिंक आज का ब्लॉग हियर। सो आई हैड अ रियली नाइस फन डे विद शेयर टुडे। आई थिंक पूजो के बाद वी आर मीटिंग टुडे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन ऑनेस्टली। एंड ऑल्सो मेकअप चेक इन, आई डिड दिस मेकअप at 1 o'clock in the morning, yeah, in the afternoon actually, and right now it is 8, so that's saying a lot, like 7 hours yet tika beach mein. I just needed to powder once and reapply my lipstick, but really great. The blush is gone though, but the eye makeup and the foundation situation really good. You know, this is the only reason I like doing makeup in the winters. Like abhi pura full fledged winter nahi hai, fir bhi like I'm a little sweaty right now because I just walked and came back home and fan band hai, but otherwise really loving my makeup. Like, you know, this goes to show I'm such a true blue makeup enthusiast because even in the vlog I just like sitting down and just talking about my makeup endlessly. In which ways, one thing which I would like to recommend for the makeup situation is the setting spray from Mars. I use the Seal the Deal makeup setting spray. I've been using that for the last year almost, and every makeup look ke baad I use that. It just sets my makeup so beautifully in place. Sweating bhi hota hai, but it just sweats. It does not melt my makeup off. So I really like that. Also, there was this one makeup spray जो मैंने बहुत hype में आके खरीदा, the L'Oreal 3-second setting mist. That is also undoubtedly a very good setting spray. But if you wear glasses, especially like me, मैं तो glasses पहन के ही रहती हूँ हमेशा. So like right over here, you can see there is थोड़ा सा glasses का mark है, मैंने बस powder लगाया यहाँ पे. But if you use that setting spray, the L'Oreal one, it will literally, quite literally lift your entire foundation. यहाँ पे पूरा patch रह जाएगा. No amount of powder, concealer or any foundation can fix that. So just make sure in like just keep that in mind. That fixer, otherwise, oh my god, बारिश हो पानी हो, it will not melt your makeup off. Anyways, that was that for today. अभी dinner का मेरा उतना honestly plans नहीं because I am full till here. And tomorrow most probably I'm going to go watch a movie, Om Shanti Om, of course, Shah Rukh Khan की movie है, मैं कैसे ना देखूँ. And Om Shanti Om honestly is one of my most favorite Shah Rukh Khan movies. DDLJ आती तो obviously I would have wanted to watch DDLJ because that is god tier, guys. DDLJ and Shah Rukh Khan hand in hand, god tier movie. But कल 1:30 का show है almost in South City, so I am planning to go catch up on that. Anyways, I think I will probably end आज का vlog here and I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog and this is what my outfit looks like today. अभी थोड़ा सा homeless vibes I'm giving, I know. But today I'm going on a solo date actually, which is kind of daunting and fun as well, but it's very important to enjoy your own company. Anyways, I am going to watch Om Shanti Om in South City and I'm really excited. So let's get ready, do some skincare. मैं अभी बस नहा के और ready होके आई हूँ. I didn't feel like vlogging since the morning because honestly कुछ भी नहीं किया, वही same routine as yesterday, reading my book, having chia water, breakfast. Anyways, let's just get ready and we'll be heading out. Show timings are from 1:25 and right now it is 12 बजे नहीं बजे, sorry 11 something. So 12 बजे तक I will be leaving my house.
Was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
This is the book that I'm reading currently. बहुत traumatic है guys, मत पढ़ो. It is 1:10 almost. Show timing is from 1:25, so I'm heading towards the Inox theatre. So I've come inside the Inox and abhi it's 1:10 actually on 1:25 से show start होगा. So we're gonna wait and we're gonna watch Shah Rukh on the big screen finally.
तुम बोर तो नहीं हो रही ना? थैंक्स. तुम्हारी सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी है. मैं बोलता जाता हूँ और तुम कभी बोर नहीं होती.
इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाली. बाहों में भरी है जैसे चांदनी.
मुझे छोड़ गया वो पिछले महीने की 26 को.
इतना कि I feel like the king of the world. देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी.
की शक्ति की लाश.
I just got done watching the film and the entire time I just had this hugest grin on my face. Oh my god. I'll correct my thoughts. अभी थोड़ा ऊपर चलते हैं खाना खा के, then I'll talk to you guys again. So as I was saying, I just got done with watching the movie and the entire time I just had this huge grin on my face. And this movie is also like a very integral part of me growing up because I remember हमारे घर में ओम शांति ओम का till date we have a CD and everything. And so the बहुत nostalgia factor is also there. And just like seeing SRK on the big screen is just something else altogether. Anyways, right now it is almost 5 बज चुके हैं. थोड़ा सा मैंने KFC ऑफ कोर्स मेरे फेवरेट प्लेस है, मैंने थोड़ा सा लंच या फिर थोड़ा सा लेट लंच बोल सकते ऑर्डर कर लिया है. आई एम गोना हैव दैट एंड देन आई एम प्लानिंग ऑन गोइंग टू ब्लू टोकाई. एक्चुअली दैट्स ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट, दी मोस्ट एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट कॉफी जॉइंट्स. तो शायद वहाँ से थोड़ा सा कॉफ़ी लेके विल हेड बैक होम.
Missing someone with all your missing someone with
वैसे मज़ा तो आज बहुत आया. आई विल से इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू गाइज गो आउट विद योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज वन थिंग आई विल से सोलो ऐसे घूमने में, वन थिंग इज देयर दैट यू आर नॉट आंसरेबल टू एनीवन. यू कैन डू वट एवर यू वांट, यू कैन स्पेंड हाउ एवर यू वांट. हाँ, द ओनली कॉन कैन बी लाइक कुछ खा पी रहे हो तो मतलब जैसे 2 लोग रहेंगे तो डिवाइड हो जाता है. दैट द ओनली कॉस्ट यू हैव टू बेयर. बट अदरवाइज इट्स फन. You should learn to love your own company, because at the end of the day all you've got is yourself.
what you missing, and you deserve, and you deserve, and you deserve, and you did it right from the start.
So I've just come back home and I thought it's time that we conclude the vlog. The last 2 days, like this weekend basically, was extremely fun, honestly, not gonna lie. So the thing is that मेरा mostly Saturdays को भी sometimes office रहता है, like second and fourth Saturdays are the only ones which I get off. So like getting this weekend to myself, like I got to kind of basically unwind, relax, rejuvenate in a sense. And yeah, I'm extremely tired right now. And anyways, I think I'm gonna conclude the vlog here. I think मैं पूरा बैकग्राउंड के साथ मिल चुकी हूँ. Anyways, if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next one, which I promise will be a sit down video, because अगर आप लोग मेरे channel का trajectory देखो this year, there's not been a single like proper sit down video, I think, except the Saraswati Puja makeup tutorial, which was way back in February या फिर January if I'm not wrong. उसके अलावा मैंने कोई sit down video बनाया ही नहीं. It's mostly been vlogs. And I know like there are barely 30-40 people who are watching my videos, and my honestly message goes out to them, only the 30-40 constant viewers which I have. Whatever I'm making and you guys are watching, it means a lot to me. And I honestly, at this point, the viewers, subscribers don't matter to me. मुझे मज़ा आता है videos बनाने में, that's why मैं बनाती हूँ. Anyways, if you have stuck around for so long, thank you. And I'll meet you in my next one with a super fun video. Till then, guys, stay safe and be kind to yourself and others. I love you guys a lot. Bye.